What up? Back to another video. It's called Battle Monkeys.
Oh, are you recording it right now?
Yeah. And I'm playing with God of J1. I'll put his YouTube channel description. And I have a nigga over there. So if you guys see any of the monkeys, comment down below. We see one like him. Just comment hashtag Darren is a monkey. And,
Okay. Dang.
Yeah. Just enjoy the video.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, this is great.
And then God of J is recording as well. So.
Also known as, hey guys, what's up? This is Juicy J. And...
So yeah, if you guys heard that last part of his YouTube channel is Juicy J, I'll put it in the description. Don't worry.
Everyone will.
Give some support and love to Juicy J. And then there's another person I was gonna join. My brother. He's gonna make a YouTube channel later. He's planning on making a YouTube channel.
He's gonna unleash his super hot fire.
Yeah.
Super hot water.
I mean, if you guys didn't know my old,
water.
if you guys are subscribers for my last YouTube channel, this is the reunion of the DDJ channel.
Oh yeah,
And,
definitely.
Yeah, just.
That's probably gonna be our thumbnail. Just us three, and it's just gonna be like devil faces and all this other mum.
But like, if he gets a chance to come over to our house and we can make videos.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Alright. You ready? Okay.
Yes, I'm freaking ready.
Alright, go to multiplayer, go to friendly mode, and then you'll find our name. Find
Just
my
put
name.
Dez. Put Dez. Dez Bryant.
Yeah, put Des Nuts O.
No, put Dez Bryant. Oh.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so the King D is my brother. He is planning on making a YouTube channel.
The King man.
And then if you guys know Al Dude, just kidding, he's an Al player. So
he's an Al. Auto loser.
Yeah.
Auto losers always
Alright,
lose.
let's go.
Carl Malone. I do it for Carl. Oh, F-off.
Yeah! Yeah! He can't get us. He's gonna get us. Yeah, that was a waste move.
What?
Yeah, dude, we're making videos. Dude. Oh yeah, and I'm also since I haven't been uploading for the past so I haven't been uploading for the past I think past 5 days. So I'm gonna upload 2 videos, probably the third one. I did that. So I'm gonna upload a Clash Royale video and a Battle Monkey video, probably another Clash Royale gameplay. But yeah. I forgot he was sleeping. None of you guys are gonna kill me. I got like the best ones. Go to sleep again, Jay. let's give
No, I'm gonna land on the thing.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna make you go to sleep again.
I hate you.
No.
Oh, block.
Make sure you type in hashtag we wish you're gonna be well.
You better not. Oh.
What? I was found? Oh my god.
Exposed.
Bye bye, Jay.
I hate you. Why?
Put hashtag save God of Jay.
Save Jay. Hashtag save the god.
Hashtag.
Oh, yep. You guys are dead.
Yeah.
I thought he was sleeping. What?
No, I'm safe.
Hey, JJ.
Oh yeah, he is still sleeping.
Surprise, mother.
Extra jumps.
Jay, don't think you're safe, boy. Don't think you're safe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No!
No! Jay died!
I died?
Yeah, now you got spectate. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I got so killed. What was that? Don't think he's safe. Uh-oh.
It's gonna be on the Al Dude.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Hey, you're screwing over the owl. You screwed me over, actually. Vanish.
Yes.
don't know what to get.
You killed him.
Oh wow. Just when I thought.
No, he was dead either way.
Oh, F you. Oh, I should have used the D bonus. Dang it.
The D bonus. The D bonus where you screw me over?
Let's use a D bonus. Oh my god, I forgot he don't have nothing.
It get rid of all your stuff. And your stuff too. It get rid of everyone's stuff. Even yours. Uh-oh. Oh, the most intense gameplay.
LJ.
Bro, sorry guys, this is gonna be a long video. Just telling you this now. It's gonna be a long video.
Yeah, it's already 5 minutes and 45 minutes.
I remember I said that my videos are only 10 or 15 minutes long. This one will be like, I don't know.
An hour?
Probably an hour long, I don't know.
I'm gonna be like, the only time you're gonna see me play is like a minute.
We gotta make this. No, we're gonna make like 3 videos today with Jay, bro. This is gonna be like a special day because we hardly even seen anyone.
Cause that's how many letters that we have. Real.
Yeah!
That pop.
Bruh, I didn't even mean to go on this.
You serious?
I meant to go on the lightning.
Uh-oh. Well, at least it didn't land on the lava.
Please, I think I know. Oh, I knew it. Okay.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay, guys, I lost. Wow.
7 minutes.
That music though. Alright, so guys, we're gonna do another game.